Next trick we are going to teach you today has a cool name. It's called Kwijibo, and the trick itself is one of my favorite tricks. It's really cool looking, it's really stylish. If done well, it's really smooth. It's definitely worth practicing. Let me show you what it looks like. Kwijibo, it actually starts with the 1.5 mount, which we touched on in McBride Roller Coaster first, and we also discussed in Buddha's Revenge. I really recommend learning those two tricks first. They kind of build up to Kwijibo, especially Buddha's Revenge. Buddha's Revenge is kind of like, has quite a few of the moves and the feel in it. It's going to really help you when you start this trick. Kwijibo looks like this. Starts out like this. Oh, actually starts out with a trapeze. That's the middle of the trick. Starts out with a trapeze, you shoot it up, you cross your hands, you shoot it down, and you shoot in the trapeze. It's a cool looking trick. Let me do that again. It's like that. If you've done really fast and smooth, definitely looks neat and fast. What you want to do, starts with a trapeze. To do the first part is a little tricky. This takes practice. What you do is you pop the yo-yo in the air like so, pops it straight up, and you bring your throw hand straight across into it. So watch what happens when I do this. I pop it up and I shoot my finger across, and the yo-yo actually lands on the string. So I'm actually going to do it now so you can see. Shoots across like so. My arms are crossed because I took my right hand and I brought it over. You'll notice this is actually a white Buddha mount if I bring it back the other way. So you can even practice getting into it if you want to. From white Buddha, go over and then cross your hands. But the trick itself is done by popping it up and then bringing your hand over and crossing your arms.